In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram if you cannot add a location to your post or stories. First, make sure location access is enabled for Instagram. Open your device settings. Now find apps and tap on it. A list of all the applications will be shown over here. Scroll down and find Instagram, select that. Now tap on the option of permissions. Here, find the option of location. Make sure that you have selected allow. You also want to make sure that use precise location is toggled on. Once that is done, refresh the Instagram app and see if you are able to add location now. If not, you want to update the app to the latest version. For that, you want to go to Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here search Instagram. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. You also want to clear the cache of Instagram app. For that, long press on the Instagram app, then tap on app info icon, which will directly take you to app settings. Now scroll down and find storage. Here tap on clear cache. Now open Instagram and check if your problem has been fixed. If not, you can simply reinstall Instagram. For that, uninstall the Instagram application. After it has been uninstalled, reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.